Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, what is about today's session? It is, I think today's session is about
Fifth. Quality education. Today discuss with number fifth.
number
Fifth. About
six.
good health. No. Six. Quality education. Life in hometown and your region.
Six, na?
Yes, sir.
Life in your hometown or your region. That's where you are living. I have to admit Mr. Tokesar now. He is in the queue. Okay. Life in your hometown or your region. In this first session of 45 minutes or 40 minutes. And second is about quality education. Means what is the scenario of education is there in Bangladesh and in India. Then let us begin life in your hometown. Have you any PPT or
No, sir.
only discuss?
No, sir. No PPT.
Okay.
Now,
Just check.
Naku Togasakar is join here.
Yes, yes. Okay, sir is joined. Okay, sir. Welcome.
Welcome. Thank you, sir. And really very sorry for being late.
No, nothing. We will
Okay,
just
sir.
discussing formal, our what informal interview. Let us begin. What about today's session's schedule? Have you wanna present or Mr. Shubh sir will be present? The first part of our first session is life in your hometown or
Okay.
region, and second one is now we'll just think about the first one is life in your hometown.
So first, Shubh sir is
Okay, Shubh sir,
Yes, sir. Sir,
here is
no. I have no PPT, so you continue your session. Today I am not
yes.
preserved my PPT.
There is PPT, sir. What is live in your home? Are you seeing this PPT?
Culture, traditional region. What do you think partner would be enjoy from the region? If you come to city where you are taking, why you are to take him, why you are not?
Okay. Session 6, quality education. It is of 90 minutes. I mean, the first part of our session is life in your hometown. Okay, sir, can you explain? Talk about your culture, tradition of your region. What do you think your partner would enjoy? You from your region, what would you he not? If they came to your city, where would you take him? Why? Where would you not take him? Why not?
this is expected that what are the cultural traditions in your city, maybe in your region, or you can tell in your country.
Yes,
Either
sir.
region or your country or your hometown. What are the important cultural traditions? In cultural traditions, see, there are many festivals which represent our faith, maybe religion, maybe faith, maybe some of our festivals are related to respect to or gratitude to nature. So there are some things like this. So first tell that in first point. In the second point, heritage culture. That means there are some locations. They are historically important or geographically important. So what is that importance and who has recognized it? either your government of Bangladesh or United Nations, UNESCO. There are many affiliated bodies of UN, maybe UNESCO. Um, so in this way, we have to tell about the cultural heritage, and then what important characteristics of your city would you like to show your friends? Why? So in this way, we have to discuss informally about it.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, sir, thank you. But now I try to one presentation for culture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would you make me host?
1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, no problem, sir. Yes, continue, please.
Now you are host, sir.
My checking my PPT and Bangladesh has more than 30 plus tribe. Chakma, Myanmar, uh, Chakma, Myanmar, Manipuri, etc. This is
Oh, great.
it's also tribe. Their culture, they are cultivate the paddy, hill text area, cultivate the zoom cultivation.
Oh, great.
Is the tribal picture. It's a scenery of hill text area. That means Rangamati, Khagrachuri, Bandarban district. It's also tribe festival.
It's too beautiful, sir.
It's a real picture of Bangladesh hill text area.
It appears very beautiful.
Manipuri is a one kind of famous tribe in Bangladesh.
Okay.
In India also, Manipur,
Um,
Manipuri, Kuchipudi. Yes.
Garu. Garu is another tribe in Bangladesh. They are made cloth.
Okay.
The Manipuri dance. there another Chakma and Marma. Another tribe. This is also Tripura. Sawtal is another tribal in Bangladesh. Thanks. Thank you. And I have another PPT to my mail. So I continue the session. I check my mail and download the another PPT. Please continue.
Okay.
Make me host another. Change another host. Who? I changed my host. Sir. Sir, would you continue the session? I check my mail and
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
दिसतंय का?
हा येस.
आणि मी शेअर करतोय ते दिसतंय का?
हा तुमचा फोटो दिसतोय.
स्क्रीन नाही दिसत का?
नाही.
Yes,
Please make me
sure, sir, sure. Mercury Foundation. Now Dilip sir host.
okay, sir. This is our Indian culture. The dance where we see in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. This is also traditional dances where we from Odia. This is dance of Punjabi Bhangra. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. In India, we have various types of dances, particularly from this is all types of culture. This is Maharashtra, then South, Gujarati, then what it called, this is Punjabi. We have also tradition in customs and costumes.
Wow, this is great.
Tamil Nadu, they use dhoti.
Dhuti
In
has
Kerala-
Bangladesh have dhuti.
Yes. In our south states, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, then Odia, Telangana, Andhra, they use dhoti. Mostly they use white dhoti for wearing. Mehndi is also culture of India. Same also Bangladesh. We have discussed with Zui ma'am last session. This is also Rajasthani. What it called, okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
In Maharashtra, it is also famous.
Rajput people, Rajput rulers.
What Rajasthani? What it called? Horse?
Rajput rulers.
No. This is tradition of what it called. आपल्याकडे वरातील नाचायचे बघा ते घोडे पूर्वी. Traditional dances with using a wooden horse. Yes, this is mainly, it is also tradition of India. Then Rajasthan, we found lots of camel.
Camel.
Then, so yes, they also uh, make them some traditions. This is also one of found in Jammu and Kashmir. This we found tradition, I think it is in Delhi, Gungat. We have various dance. This one is very famous in Maharashtra. It is called Dahi Handi. Dahi Handi is the festival in Maharashtra. It is Krishna Janmashtami, or the God Krishna. On the birth date of God Krishna, we use various steps on human, and then there is hanging a water soil
Wow.
pot.
Human
then-
pyramid. Human
Human
pyramid.
pyramid. Very nice. Human pyramid. And
Human pyramid, yes.
yes, the curd is also in that pot, soil or water pot. What? Then we break it. It is also very famous culture in Maharashtra. Then these are some pictures. Here is some Bauddh. Ramayana is also very famous tradition. They play the role of goddesses and God Ram, then Lakshmana, then goddesses Sita. All these they present on small, like dramatization.
Ram Leela.
Yes, it is called. It is famous also in South India, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The people also come here. It is also found south in the goddesses Tirupati Balaji,
Balaji,
world's richest temple of where we found golden, every frames and doors golden, even the what the goddess or god is also there in golden. This is the tradition of marriage ceremony in India. There is also some tradition from India. Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, these are some local dances. Mostly they use costumes, traditional costumes. In India, we found so many customs are there. And costumes are also many varieties. Like in Kashmir, we found the costumes, the women or men also. Then in Punjab, then Rajasthan, in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, we use sari and shirt and dhoti. But dhoti is used not nowadays. We have used suit pants or whatever. But in tradition, in past tradition, we use so many. These are some traditions like what we call sesame, then haldi, then chilies or turmeric. What do you call? It is also tradition of Indian food. Thoke sir explained last time. This is our thali, Indian thali. A curd, then dal, kadhi, then dal and rice, chapati, roti, then pickle, then onion, then carrot, all types of vegetables we what it called? It is called, okay sir, what it called? Katputli dance.
Katputli in Rajasthan.
Yes, in Rajasthan. This structure of temples
South
mostly
India.
we find in India. It is called Hemadpanthi temples. From Tamil Nadu, then Karnataka, Kerala, in Maharashtra, some parts, in Madhya Pradesh, some districts we found these temples. They carve in total mountain, not they even drop one stone from one place to another place, but they carve total mountain. In Maharashtra, we have Ellora and Ajanta caves.
Hmm.
This is Garba dance. These are some traditions of Indian culture I have share here. Now, in every region, we have various types of cultures, and festivals are also
Different.
differentiation.
different-
Yes.
Yes.
In Maharashtra, we celebrate Diwali or Navratri,
Hmm.
then Bihu, then Pongal. In Karnataka, their native traditional festival is Pongal. Then in North India, they have Bihu. In Punjab also, such types of Baisakhi. Yes. In means where they cut the crops, they used to celebrate the local festivals.
Right.
Yes, sir. You are please unmute, sir. Unmute, sir.
বেঙ্গলি নেম হালখাতা যে ক্রপ traditional they're cutting crop and they enjoy the Pohela Boishak. The
Yes, yes.
5th 24th April is Bangla Pohela Boishak. This is the one most festival of Bangladesh, Pohela Boishak, that means Happy Bangla New Year.
So many similarities in India and Bangladesh. So many. Baishak, we have also used Vaishak, not B. We use W.
Boishak.
Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir.
But our Marathi or our what native years begins from Chaitra. It is in March
Chaitra March.
in Maharashtrian culture. Yes. Please continue. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Continue. SDG goal. He is a guru, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please make me host.
1 minute. You are now host.
Okay, thank you, sir. So can you see the screen, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
My colleague, respected Dhakne sir, has already introduced many cultural traditions in India, as he has told about Gokulashtami, that is the human pyramid, or breaking that earthen pot filled with Gopal Kala, curd and pohas. So that is Gopal Kala. So that is distributed as a prasad. So it is really very risky to make the human pyramids, but people enjoy it, and it's a big crowd around to enjoy and cheer up the people who are participants in the Gokulashtami, that human pyramid. Another important culture in Maharashtra is Ganeshotsav. On the occasion of the arrival of Lord Ganesha, 10 days, still long, goes on for 10 days. probably in July. It comes in July. So Ganeshotsav is important festival in Maharashtra. People offer the prayers to Lord Ganesha, and the last day, 10th day, is the immersion of Lord Ganesha. As you know, in Kolkata there is Durga Mata festival.
হ্যাঁ দুর্গা হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশের মোস্ট ফেমাস ফেস্টিভ্যাল ইন বাংলাদেশ, দুর্গা পূজা।
As you have that procession towards the sea or ocean or in the lake, and you immerse the idol of Durga Mata in the water. The same way, Lord Ganesha's idol is immersed into the water on the last day.
Last day, yes.
It is. Then Diwali is another festival. Actually, Diwali is the gratitude towards the nature and the God, because it is the festival of lights. As you know, light brings happiness in our life. It disappears the darkness in our life. And so this is the gratitude towards the Lord for being given us the light in all the ways. So it is the festival of lights. In Maharashtra, we have another festival. You know, the domestic animal, an ox, or we call bull or bullocks in plural number, oxen. It is very important animal in India's economy. Nowadays, we have all the machines and technologies for agriculture. But in the past, our ancestors, our parents and great-grandparents, they used to cultivate the land and to continue the agriculture with the help of this animal. This animal has boosted the Indian economy. This animal has played an important role even today. The Indian agriculture is on great extent based on this animal, because in day-to-day work in the farm, this is really very, very useful animal. And that's why in Maharashtra, the farmers of Maharashtra expresses their deep gratitude towards this animal by celebrating Pola. The name of the festival is Pola. In Marathi we call Pola, but in Hindi it is the word is Pola. That day, every farmer washes his domestic animals, cows and bullocks, especially bullocks, and they are decorated in this way, as you see here in the slide. And there is procession throughout the village. And in the evening, the bullocks are, offered the puja. And they are given some good sweet food to eat. Especially the women in the farmer's family prepare the sweet dishes, puran poli, and they give to the bullocks puran poli to eat. So though it is an animal, it is treated as family member, as human being. In this way, it is worshipped. This is a very important festival in the rural part of Maharashtra, in Maharashtrian farmers culture, farmer tradition. As you are telling in your Bangladesh in April, Pratham Baisakhi, right?
Yes, Pahela Baishakh.
Pahela Baishakh, yes. The same way, Dhakne sir has also told about Chaitra Shuddha Pratipada. It comes in March. Chaitra Pratipada, we call it Gudi Padwa. So we have this type of Gudi in front of every home, and we celebrate the first day of Marathi calendar. It is known as Gudi Padwa or Chaitra Pratipada. So this is also a culture in Maharashtra, especially in Maharashtra. My colleague, respected Dhakne sir, has also told about heritage culture. Now Maharashtra has many heritage culture spots. This is near Aurangabad, Ellora Caves. This is declared by United Nations body UNESCO, Vishwa Dharohar or World Heritage, Ellora Caves.
World Heritage Committee.
Yes, by World Heritage Committee of United Nations, it has been declared as World Heritage. So this place is not only important for Maharashtra and India, but it has global importance because of these caves. Tourists and research fellows across the world visit Maharashtra, especially Aurangabad, to visit these Ellora caves. So this is our heritage culture. Then the same here. The Ellora caves are seen here, so how the visitors visit it. And then again, this another important image is of the birthplace of the river Godavari. Godavari is an important river in middle and south India. Its origin is near Nashik, 30 kilometers away from Nashik, in the range of Sahyadri. This is Brahmagiri mountain. It is a part of Sahyadri, and from here the Godavari is originated, and then it flows towards Bay of Bengal through Maharashtra, then Telangana, then Andhra Pradesh, near Vishakhapatnam. It confluences to the Bay of Bengal, and
one-
this. Hello. Sir. Please.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Shubh sir. Shubh
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
I want to explain one more thing. The same mountain in the east, the origin of Godavari, and the same mountain, the origin of Vaitarna river. It is also flow in the west, and it's go to Arab Ocean. And
Yes.
in okay, sir. Do explain next.
This is water geographic importance water divider. What you are
Wow.
telling is important point. This point is a water divider. The water falling on the top of this mountain from the west side, it goes towards the Sea, Arabian Sea in the west, and the rainwater falling on the top, which goes to the east side, it goes to the Bay of Bengal. So this is the water divider. Dhakne sir has mentioned very important point.
And it is also very nearest from Tokesar, 22 or 23 kilometers away from
Wow.
the home of Tokesar.
Yes.
It
Thank
is also
you.
called Trambakeshwar. It is the religious place among India. There are nine religious places. Na?
Yeah, 12. One of the 12
Wow.
Jyotirlingas, Trambakeshwar temple. There are 12 Jyotirlingas in India. One of them is Trambakeshwar at the origin of Godavari.
Lord Shiva's temple. It is also built in Himadpanthi type temple.
Yes. Yes. Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir. Continue, please.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The Godavari then comes to Nashik. So here you see the Ramkunda, all temples around the city. In the past, my hometown Nashik was known as the city of temples. Now it has multiple importance. It is an industrial hub in Asian continent, one of the biggest network of the industries from Nashik, then Dhakneser's town, Sinnar. Now it is one place, one as a whole industrial network. There are hundreds and thousands of industries around Nashik metropole, Sinnar municipal corporation.
India's
And
largest MIDC, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation.
yes, MIDC is the largest MIDC in Asian continent, is between Sinnar and Nashik, Malegaon. Malegaon, we call it Malegaon. But this is Ramkunda. People from various states in India, they come here for rituals, Hindu rituals, and they do their vidhis here, rituals here.
Kumbh Mela, Mahakumbh.
And again, it is
After
important
years.
for Kumbh Mela. So those sannyasis from different part of India, they come here once in 12 years for the holy bath. They call it is called a Shahi Snan. You must have heard in the COVID-19, it was this year in Haridwar, and it caused spreading of pandemic COVID-19 in Haridwar. Once in a 12 year, it comes in Nashik also.
Sir, 1 minute. Only 3 places in India. They have Kumbh Mela, Prayag, then Gaya, where? Kashi, huh?
Kashi,
Nashik.
Goya, and another
Nashik,
Haridwar.
Nashik.
Nashik. Oh,
And
Nashik,
you
your
are-
district.
Yes, yes. And
Yes.
your professors, where he is teaching there and living also same.
Oh,
My hometown, Nashik. Then we have one more important place in Maharashtra. It is approximately 350 kilometers away from Nashik in the east. It is known as Lonar crater or Lonar lake. This is the only example in sub-Indian continent. Means all these our South Asian countries, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. In all these countries, in this sub-Indian continent or South Asian continent, this is the only place which locates in Maharashtra. This has happened thousands of years back, many thousands of years, approximately 60,000 years back. It has been formed due to the falling of meteorite on the earth. This is Lonar crater. It is also declared by UNESCO the World Heritage Site. Lonar crater. Then I would like to take you now in my Nashik district. Already last time also we have discussed about grape farming. Dhaknesar has also this kind of very beautiful farm, grape farming. So this is a farmer who is showing the grapes in his farm. So this is important characteristic of our local place. You see here, this is the Maharashtra Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University campus in Nashik. Besides the Gangapur Dam on the river Godavari, this is the university in Nashik.
Shubh, sir.
yes, sir.
Same here. I am going to do my complete diploma of school management from Yashwantrao Chauhan, YCM. We have
Emery.
discussed
This
about it.
university, huh?
Yes, yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Because this is distant mode university, not for regular.
Okay, sir. Hello. Hello.
Okay, sir, maybe network problem, maybe.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, sir.
हाँ पुनः शेयर करू का स्क्रीन.
1 minute, 1 minute. We have only
Only
1 minute 45 seconds remaining.
Okay, so
So-
we will join.
No, 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 not you will discuss, but make me host. I have to end this meeting and record the meeting. Shubh sir, please record this meeting also. Same from you. Okay.
okay.
Just explain orally, sir. Make me host. Okay, sir.
You have been made the host.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Just explain. Last 1 minute and 16 seconds.
So in this way, there are many more traditions in India. We have unity in diversity in many things like our dresses, our food, then geographical traits, then religious faiths. There are many varieties, and still we are one as Indian. It's a great message of integrity, national integrity, social harmony, which leads for the all-round progress of the nation and all communities. So our culture, Indian
Thank you.
culture.
Okay, sir. Thank you. What
universe-
about next? What
Next.
about next? Continue it
Yes, yes.
or we have to stop? Shubh sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
continue or stop?
We have to continue second session, no?